Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics and the topic on the board is Pascal triangle and binomial theorem. Okay, now let us start with the Pascal triangle. Now, how do we construct the Pascal triangle? Let's do it together. This is 1, 1, 1, okay? Then it is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1, 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1, then this is 1, okay? 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4, 1. So it continues in that word, in that format, okay? Now, this is what the Pascal triangle, all right? So, and it continues, okay? Now, how do we now use Pascal triangle to expand values that are having what? A higher what? Power. Let's say a question. Look at this question. Using Pascal's triangle, expand bracket open x plus 3y bracket close raised to the power of 3. How do we use Pascal triangle to expand this? The first thing here is this. Watch out for the power. The power here is what is 3. So how do I get the power here? Let's go. This is x plus 3y raised to the power of 0. This is x plus 3y raised to the power of 1. This is x plus 3y raised to the power of 2. This is x plus 3y raised to the power of 3, while this is x plus 3y raised to the power of 4. Okay, then it continues in that format. Okay, so it shows that this is what I'll be using to expand this. Okay, so let's go. Solution. If I have x plus 3y raised to the power of 3, so I want to expand this. Okay, so using this, now it's going to be, now watch out for this. This will carry the power here. Okay, why this other value here will carry the power 0. Okay, so watch. This is x raised to the power 3, then 3y raised to the power of what? Of 0. Okay, so I'm done with this. Next is what is 3 plus 3 x raised to the power 2 and 3y raised to the power of 1 and plus x, come back here, this is 3, I've used this one there, so I'm going to be using this 3x raised to the power of 1, 3y raised to the power of 2. Okay, and lastly I'm having 1 here, so that is plus x raised to the power of 0 and 3y raised to the power of 3. So now what do you observe here? Now you observe that this x here, the power is decreasing. Okay, while this other value here, the power is increasing. All right, can you see that? So that is how it is going on. All right, let's try to expand. I'm having x cubed. 3y raised to the power 0 is 1. Okay, plus 3x squared. 3y raised to the power 1 is 3y plus 3 x raised to the power 1 is x, 3y raised to the power 2 is 9y squared, plus x raised to the power 0 is 1, then 3y raised to the power 3 is 27y cubed. Right? So let's try to finish it up. X raised to the power 3 plus 3x squared times 3y give us 9x squared y, and 3x times 9y squared will give us 27xy squared, and plus 27y cubed. Okay, so we have just expanded this, okay, using the what? The Pascal what? Triangle. Now, can we also use another method to expand this same question? The answer is yes. So we can still use the binomial theorem to expand this, and then we're going to arrive at the same what answer. Okay. Now let us use the binomial what theorem to expand this. All right. Now the binomial theorem. Okay, so before we use the binomial theorem to expand this, I want us to get the formula. Okay, the binomial theorem formula. Okay, let's go. If I have a plus b raised to the power of n, okay, this can be written as n combination 0, okay, a raised to the power of n minus 0, b raised to the power of what? 0, okay, plus n combination 1, a raised to the power of what? N minus 1. So that for a, this is subtracting this, okay, n minus 1, n minus 0. Then b is carrying the what? The power here. That is b raised to the power of 1, okay, plus n combination what? 2. A raised to the power of n minus 2, b raised to the power of 2, plus n combination 3. A raised to the power n minus 3, b raised to the power of 3, okay, plus n combination r, a raised to the power of what? N minus r. If you follow the what? The procedure, okay, then b raised to the power of what? R plus so it continues in that format. But I want us to take note of this. This is the formula that we shall be needing, okay, whenever we want to solve or expand using the binomial theorem. Okay, so I want us to take note of this general formula. Okay, now how do we now expand this question using the binomial theorem? The same question. Back here, we're going to start with what? N combination 0. So our n is what? Is 3. Don't forget, our n is 3. So it's going to be 3 combination 0. Okay, our a here is x. Okay, so it's going to be x raised to the power of what? 3 minus 0. Then b, our b is 3y. I mean 3y raised to the power of what? 0. Right? Are you following? Next is plus n combination what? Oh, sorry, that's 3 combination 1. Okay, 3 combination 1. Our a is x. Okay, raised to the power of what? 3 minus 1. Okay, our b is 3y raised to the power of 1. Okay, so plus, okay, n combination 2. That is 3 combination what? 2. X raised to the power of what? 3 minus 2. Okay, then 3y raised to the power of 2. Right? Then plus 3 combination 3. X raised to the power of what? 3 minus 3. Then 3y raised to the power of 3. Simple as that. So let's go. Now 3 combination 0 is 1. Okay, that's 1. Then times x raised to the power 3 minus 0 is 3. Okay, 3y raised to the power 0 is 1. Okay, this plus 3 combination 1 is 3. So having 3, okay, x raised to the power of 3 minus 1 is what? Is 2. And here is what? Here is 3y raised to the power of 1. Okay, plus 3 combination 2 is still 3. So I'm having 3, okay, x 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, pardon, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, then 3y raised to the power of 2 plus 3 combination 3 is what? Is 1. So I'm having 1 times x raised to the power 3 minus 3 is 0. Then I'm having 3y raised to the power of 3. Okay, if I have 3 combination 1 is equal to 3 factorial over 3 minus 1 factorial, 1 factorial. Okay, and this is equals to 3 factorial. 3 minus 1 is what? 2 factorial. Okay, then 1 what? 1 factorial. Okay, now 3 factorial is 3 times 2. Okay, factorial. 3 times 2 factorial over what? This is 2 factorial. All right, then 1 factorial. So 2 factorial cancel 2 factorial. Okay, I'm having 3. 1 factorial is to 1. So 3 divided by 1 is what? Is 3. So that's how I got what? My 3 here. That's 3 combination 1 is 3. Okay, now let's continue. So 1 times x cubed will give us x cubed plus 3 times 3x squared times 3y will give us what? 9x squared y. Okay, plus. Now, if we come back here, it is 3x. 3y raised to the power 2 is 9y squared. So 9y squared times 3x will give us what? 27xy squared plus x raised to the power 0 is what? Is 1. Then 3y raised to the power 3 will give us what? 27y cubed. Okay, so it is similar to the first one that we solved using the what? The Pascal word triangle. So you can still try questions like this at your own spare time. Then you are going to arrive at the same answer. So you can either use the Pascal triangle or you use the what? The binomial word theorem.